Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Infiniti FX35. First, ensure your engine is cool before starting any work. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands and wear appropriate protective gear. We'll cover everything from draining the old oil to adding fresh, clean oil, making this a straightforward process for you. Let's get your vehicle running smoothly with a fresh oil change. Before you begin, gather all your supplies. You'll need about 5 quarts of new 5W30 synthetic motor oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh crush washer for the drain plug. Don't forget your drain pan, a wrench to remove the drain plug, and a funnel for adding the new oil. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process much smoother.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. And speaking of staying on top of things, working on your car can be thirsty work. Stay hydrated with an Owala water bottle, perfect for keeping your drink cold. You can find the link for the Owala bottle and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's get that old oil out. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the lowest point of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting all the old, dirty oil flow into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean and effective oil change. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter and install the new one, ensuring it's hand-tight. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it properly. Now, using your funnel, carefully pour the 5 quarts of new 5W30 motor oil into the engine through the oil fill cap. Double-check for any leaks before lowering your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.